Well, I hope you can see the screen. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let me just fast go through yesterday's questions. I hope these are very simple. Find a minus b and b minus a, where a and b are given sets. I don't have to take up. Question number 31 again. Verify whether these are true. Again, these simple ones. I don't have to pick up. Let me start with this. Question number 32. Draw Venn diagrams. Few of you asked, told me a difficulty in drawing diagrams. Pick up the first one. A minus B union C. For that, first you take what is B union C. I have sets A, B, and C. B union C. This is B union C. Can you see? Now from A, remove. From A, you remove B union C. What do you get? You have to put your mind. From A, you remove B union C. Yes, this is A minus B union C, the shaded portion. That's all. You are asked to draw the Venn diagram. This is A minus B union C. Even this single diagram will do. Or if you wanted to identify, we can write one or two diagrams. Finally, we have A minus B union C. Now, A intersection B minus C. For that, first you find what is B minus C. How do you find B minus C? From B, remove C. You got B minus C. What is common with this shaded portion and A? What is common with A and B minus C? You can easily observe only very small portion here. A intersection B minus C. Is it okay? Common to A and B minus C. And what is B minus C? From B, remove C, that is B minus C. So common to A and B minus C, that is A intersection B minus C. Now the third is A minus B intersection C. Where is B intersection C? B and C, common portion is B intersection C. Now from A, remove this. From the set A is circle. Red circle is A. From there, from A, you remove the shaded portion. You get A minus B intersection C. Agreed? A minus B intersection C. Now A minus B intersection A minus C. You have A minus B. A minus B means from A, remove B. A minus C. A minus C. From A, remove C. A minus B. From A, remove B. A minus C. From A, remove C. What is common to these both? Common to these both is only this much. That is A minus B intersection A minus C. A minus B intersection. You have A minus B, right? You have A minus B, you have A minus C. Common portion is A minus B intersection A minus C. Now, if you take their union, you have A minus B, you have A minus C, A minus B, and A minus C take their union. This is union. You can see that is as good as A minus B intersection C. Okay. Well, here if you have few questions, these can go as a multiple choice question or a short answer question or a fill in the blanks question. I think few of you are very simple. Now I don't have to take up at all. A union A dash is universal set. I hope you know it. Phi dash intersection A. You look what is phi dash. Phi dash is universal set. Universal set intersection with A is A. That's right. Whereas U dash is null set, U dash is null set intersection A is null set. What about A minus A dash? A dash has no element in A. From A, whatever is removing is from A dash. That is nothing to be removed from A. That is A itself. You look what is A and A dash. Okay. Now B minus A dash. Look at B, what is A dash? Can you see the diagram? There is a set B, there is a set A. From B, remove A dash. From B, B is this green circle. A dash means outside A. So remove A dash from B, what is left out is simply A intersection B. Can you see? I have not brought the shade there. From B, remove A dash. A dash is outside. From B, you remove A dash, you get A intersection B. Now, A minus A intersection B. From A, you remove A intersection B portion. That is nothing but A minus B. That is nothing but A minus B. Now, A union B minus A. From the whole A union B, remove A, you get nothing but the portion B minus A. From A union B, remove A. From A union B, remove A, you get B minus A. Now, from A intersection B, you remove A. Then nothing will
A
be
minus
left out.
B.
Nothing will be left out. A intersection B, remember? From A intersection B is the common portion. Which is that common
Null.
portion. There will be nothing left out. This is A intersection B portion. From there you remove A. The whole A is removed. Then nothing. It will be null set. Now, A intersection A union X. Remember, A is a subset of A union X. So take the intersection with A. That is A itself. Don't worry about it.
So I don't
Or
get
say-
17.
Yeah.
I don't get 17.
17th.
Yes.
We know A is a subset of A union X. Yes or no? A
So what
is a subset of A union X. Whatever is X, A union X will contain A. This A is a subset of A union X. Whatever is that. Agreed or not? I am asking single question. A is a subset of A union X. Do you agree?
Yes.
A is a, this is A union X is a bigger one. And what is common to that? What is A? A is a subset of A union X. So the common portion is A only. Agreed? Further,
Yes,
A
sir.
intersection A dash, null set we know. Now what is phi dash union A? Tell what is phi dash. Phi dash.
Universal set.
Universal set union A is universal set. What about U dash union A? What is U dash?
Null set.
U dash is
Null
null
set.
set. What is union with A?
A.
8.
A.
Good. 5 minus A dash, nothing to worry. 5 minus anything, that is 5 only. Nothing. Yeah. Now A minus B. From A, remove A minus B. What is A minus B? A minus B portion. A minus B portion we know. This is A minus B. From A, remove A minus B. You get A intersection B. Correct? A minus. This portion is A minus B. From A, remove A minus B. You get A intersection B. What happens if you remove A union B from A? That is null set because A union B is the whole portion. When you remove that is A. Further, A union B minus B, that is analogous to 13. Actually, I have putting this symbol down. A union B minus B is A minus B. A union B minus A is B minus A. A union B minus B is B, A minus B. What about A intersection B minus B? Null set. A intersection B minus B is null set. Tell me what is A minus B minus A?
A.
It will be B minus A.
B intersection A.
What is the portion B minus A? I think you
It is
told 3 answers, one of that is correct.
B minus A, sir.
Actually, I got the answer in the beginning. The only thing
A.
that I did not respond. It is A only, but because what is B minus A? What is B minus A? B minus A is this. Yes or no? From A, remove this. Nothing is removed. Correct? This portion is B minus A. This portion is B minus A. Now from A, you remove this. Nothing is removed. That is A itself. Okay? Great. Follow. Let's go for some question. If A intersection B dash is null set, can you imagine how A intersection B dash is null set? A intersection B dash is null set. A intersection B dash. B dot, this is A, and if this is B, there is no B dot is outside B. A intersection B dot is null set. This is happening only when A subset B, but you are asked to prove if A intersection B dot is null set, show that A subset B. Correct? Let us see how we get along. Given A intersection B dot is null set. Let me go through the steps very carefully. Watch very carefully. Any doubt? A is equal to A intersection universal set is a property of the universal set. Correct or not? A is equal to A intersection universal set. Now what is universal set? B union B dash. Any set union its complement is universal set. B union B dash is universal set. Yes or no? Now I am going to apply distributive law. A intersection B union B dash is A intersection B union A intersection B dash. Agreed? A intersection B union A intersection B dash. That is the distributive law. But what is A intersection B dash? Given null set. A intersection B dash is given null set. So A intersection B union null set. That is A intersection B. So what I have is when A intersection B dash is null set, A is A intersection B. But A intersection B is very much subset of B. Yes or no?
Yes.
How, sir?
A intersection B. Why subset of B? Is that a question?
Yes, sir.
Is that a question? A,
Yes,
what is
yes.
A intersection B? A intersection B is common to A and B. A intersection B is common to A and B. That will be very much subset of B. Of course, it is subset of A also. No matter whatever is A,
Got it, sir.
no matter whatever is B, A intersection B is very much subset of A as well as subset of B. So A is A intersection B. The steps are very clear. A is A intersection B, but A intersection B is subset of B, so A subset B. Very commonly asked question. So if A intersection B, so I have not used any diagrammatic concept here. I have directly written the steps. If A intersection B is, if A is A intersection B dot is null set, then A intersection A is equal to A intersection B, so therefore A subset B. Question can be like this also. If A intersection B dot is equal to null set, show that A is equal to A intersection B. Then only it is here you have to write. Let me, okay, as A is equal to A intersection B. Let me pick up. If A union B equal to A intersection B, is it possible A union B equal to A intersection B? Possible. Show that A is equal to B. If A union B equal to A intersection B, show that A equal to B. We can write simply. You know, I can even state directly. I will show A subset B, and then I will show B subset A. Right? We know A is a subset of A union B. Agreed? A is a subset of A union B. But what is A union B? What is A union B? It is A intersection B. And A intersection B is very much subset of B. A is a subset of A union B. A union B is as good as A intersection B. A intersection B is subset of B. So A subset B. Similarly, we can show B subset A. I am writing one or two more steps here. I will show A subset B. Show that to show that one, I take like this. X belongs to A will imply X belongs to A union B, no doubt. And that implies X belongs to A intersection B, because it is given A union B is A intersection B. Right? So X belongs to A implies X belongs to A intersection B. Now, X belongs to A intersection B will very much imply X belongs to B, because A intersection B is common to A and B. Their steps are very clear. That implies X belongs to A implies X belongs to B means A subset B. That is a definition of subset. X belongs to A implies X belongs to B, therefore A subset B. Similarly, we show B subset A, no need to show again. Further, A subset B and B subset A implies, that is the meaning of A is equal to B. So from 1 and 2, we get A is equal to B. Clear? Okay. Well, let's go for now. Power set of A and power set of B are equal. If so, show that A is equal to B. Prove that this P is the power set. PA equal to PB, possible only if A is equal to B. PA is the power set of A. It consists of all the subsets of A. Right? Well, PA, we know, power set of A contains A. A is a member of PA because why? Because A is very much subset of A. Any set is a subset of the same set. So A is a member of PA. But what is PA? PA is PB. That means A is a subset of PB. A is a member of P also. PB also. A is a member of PA because A is a subset of A. That implies A is a member of PB because given PA equal to PB. But A is a member of PB implies A subset B because what is PB? PB is ultimately the collection of subsets of B. So when A is a member of PB, that means A subset B. Are you getting the steps? I started with suppose A member of PA. Not suppose, we know A is a member of PA because A is very much subset of A. But A member of PA, that will imply A member of PB because PA equal to PB. And A member of PB because implies A is a subset of B. Now similarly we can show B subset A. So A subset B and B subset A implies A is equal to B. That is a easy way to show two sets are equal. A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. This will combinedly implies A is equal to B. Okay? Getting along? We have a few questions here in the same line. First one is, we have done earlier, A intersection B dash is null set, you have to prove A subset B. It is an analogous question. A union B dash is universal set. You show that B subset of A union B dash, A union B dash is universal set. Show that B subset of A. I am now testing your mind how you can bring out the proof in the same line I have written earlier. Now state the validity of the following statements and justify your answers. Justify means if it is false, what happens? Bring an example. Justify is already written there. I have written justify once again. Justify your answer means if it is true, you have to prove it. If it is false, P of A intersection is PA intersection PB. Be careful about that term. P of A intersection is PA intersection PB. P of A union B is PA union PB. So which of this is true, or if both are true, prove both are false, give examples. That is the meaning of justification. Whenever it is true, you prove it. Whenever it is false, give example. That is a normal way in mathematics. To prove, you can produce. The examples will not do. You have to systematically prove. And if it is false, produce an example. Further, question number 42. If A intersection B is equal to A, prove that A union B is equal to B. If A intersection B is equal to A, prove that A union B is equal to B. See, the question is again coming to your mind. If A intersection B is equal to A, prove that A union B is B. Let's see how we get it. Further, if A union B is equal to B, prove that A subset B. Are the questions going tougher?
Yes, sir, it is.
Sit and work out. But difficulty, face any difficulty, you tell me. If you tell me on the same day, I'll bring it in the next day. Otherwise, suppose you forgot to say on the same day, you can ask me anytime. I'll bring the answer either in class or you can bring the answer in WhatsApp also. Don't hesitate to answer. Ask me question. I'll bring the answers for you. Okay? Well, anything else to ask from your side? Do you think that I'm covering too many topics? Can you tell me?